Derivative. We had one definition of derivative yesterday. What did we learn the derivative was? Conceptual. Yeah. So, example picture, the derivative is the slope of the tangent line. Right? And we can write an equation of that tangent line we saw yesterday. What did we also call this? Slope of a tangent line. And we compared it to the slope of the secant line, which was the average rate of change. Yeah, instantaneous rate of change. That's exactly what's happening at that point right there. Okay, now this gets kind of important. Let's say if you're drilling an oil well. Okay, where is that bit pointed and how fast is it going? IROC, instantaneous rate of change. So just. What was the definition we used yesterday? Anybody have it memorized yet?
No.
Didn't think so.
0 f c x plus h minus x over minus x.
Show it off.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So that was definition one.
Did we get a memory card for that?
We will. Definitely. We have a few of those to make actually. We'll take some time one of these days to do it. Here's, so this is definition number 2. You have to be able to recognize and use both of these. This one might look a little more familiar. Yeah, it's a slope formula, right? What's happening though? X is approaching A. Going to 0, going to 0, right? So basically what we're doing is we're closing this gap of the slope of a secant line to 0, and it makes that tangent line. Okay. So it's the same concept as this definition here, it's just a different way to write it. Okay, we will write this, so I didn't show you this yesterday, but the notation for a derivative, this would be f prime at a. Yeah, a is your x value. Okay, this is how we, this is, if it says compute f prime at 3, it means calculate the derivative. Okay, so this is the notation we'll use to denote the derivative. Because we have f of x, right? F prime of x is the derivative. F double prime of x is the second derivative. So that
Need
means
more than one.
f triple prime is the third derivative. F to the fourth is the fourth derivative.
Alright, so wait, would there have to be?
Higher derivatives, 3.7. We'll get there.
Would there have to be, multiple tangent lines in it?
No. We'll get there. All we're focused on right now is the first derivative, the slope of the tangent line. Okay? Don't get all wrapped up in that because you'll be ready for it when we get there. Okay, compute. F prime of 3, where f of x equals x squared minus 8x.
So the F1 thing, that's the first, is the first derivative thing? That's
Yeah.
in
It's a, you know, like you have quotes and you have the single quotes, it's one of those.
Okay.
It's not a one, it's a tick mark.
Oh,
Is it a
okay.
plus or a minus?
Should be minus. Yeah. So what's our A value? A is, yeah, it's 3. So if we're going back to the definition here, A would be 3. Or if you're gonna use it in this one, X is 3. Okay. So know that small difference there. We're gonna do this definition again. Is that okay? Take your pick. So, again, write it down. Every time, so you get it memorized eventually. X plus H. Am I writing too fast for my own good today? I'm just so excited to be in here and doing calculus. Woo!
Can I have your copy?
If you just get excited.
Yeah, we just cheated with the same one.
Really? She hated our
She's like, oh, I
That's what I'm
just
pretty
got
sure
thumbs
that
up.
She was so
second
spectacular in
hour.
our class, it was kind of scary.
Okay.
She had too much.
What is, okay, we're plugging 3 in, right? 3 plus H, so what is f of 3 plus H? That's f of x plus H. And then what's f of 3? Nine minus 24. Right? Yeah, it's f at 3. And then it's an algebra problem.
Okay, so where did you get the f of x plus h? Like, how did you get that to make it different?
Here?
Mhm.
Okay. Then, x is 3.
Yep.
So f of 3 plus h is just plugging 3 plus h in here and here.
Oh.
3 plus h squared minus 8. 3 plus h.
What am I telling you?
F at 3. Right? Good? Alright, algebra.
H squared plus 6h plus
Good? You with me on the algebra there? Now, here's where things usually get nice. What is 9 minus 24 plus 15? Danielle? You shouldn't even know what I asked. 9 minus 24 plus 15 is 0.
Yeah.
6h minus 8h is?
Negative 2h.
Okay, we're paying attention.
I'm slaying it. Take out an h.
So we can take an h out, right? So we can say f prime at 3 negative 2. Right? What is that representative of? It is the derivative. Now on the graph of f, what does that represent?
The slope of the tangent line.
Slope of the tangent line at
F of 3.
x equals 3. Okay. Slope of the tangent line. Now, we also know this piece of information, right? We know the value of f at 3 is negative 15. What's our equation of that tangent line?
Hold on, no. What did you do next? Oh, can you do it? Can you do it the other way?
Dunzo. The other way?
The slope one? The slope intercept one?
Yes. No. Why? Because you can add wrong.
I don't remember that.
Do I add wrong?
No, we don't
Once in a
add.
while? Be honest.
Or yeah.
Yes. You lose the point if you add wrong. That's pretty much a rubber stamp guarantee. Bam! Donezo! Keep it alone. No touching. Thank you. Hey. This? You have the point. So. That graph looks something of that nature. The slope at 2, here's the tangent line. I'm just giving you kind of a sketch. Right? So that line, what do you need to write the equation of a line? The point and the slope, right? Or a slope and an intercept. We have a point and a slope. F of 3 is negative 15, and my graph is a little off. And the slope is negative 2, right? So I'm using that information to use point to my slope. So y minus y1 equals lot of you at exhaust there. So follow this, f of 3 plus h is this right here. I take 3 plus h and I plug it in.
So this one's just something.
This
that
is
you
to
wrote
show
up
everybody
as
where it
well.
came from.
Earlier in the year, you said that we were going to be able to calculate our limits in a few seconds because of derivatives. We're supposed to be able to do this in a few seconds.
Great injector.
This is
Quite
what
a
easy
bit.
to do for you.
Yeah, it's easy. It's just it's a lot.
I expect a lot of you because I know you will rise to that level. Of course, I'm on my knees, so that level's not very high.
Yeah.
No, you'll get better at it, trust me.
Okay.
Okay, let's do one with these
Yeah, can you just search
other definitions.
right rank and stuff? Yeah. Wow, we probably makes video games now.
Here's another way, write the equation of the tangent line. To the graph of well, I did x squared yesterday, right? I'm going to do the same function, different point at with the second derivative definition.
So you're doing the f of x minus f of a one?
Yes. Again, write it down so you memorize it. Every time. Write it down every time.
So do we need to put the limited thing to get points?
No,
No?
you do not have to write this to get the points, but you need, I'm advising you to write it so you get it memorized.
Okay.
So you can memorize it.
Well, no, I'm not saying like that, but like when you actually go to do stuff, you need to write the limit.
Yes. So, this is what you mean.
Yeah.
What's our A value? We use those interchangeably quite a bit. Okay. So f of x minus f of 5, x minus 5. What's f of x? X squared. And what's f of 5? This is, you can write this as your first step. I'm just doing very detailed expansion so you see it. So this, if you're good, this is the first step, that's fine. Yeah, make a factor. And then what's the answer? You heard it. 10. So what is that? Is f prime f y. Right? Or it's the slope of the tangent line at x equals 5. Or it's the instantaneous rate of change of f at x equals 5. A lot of different ways to say it. What's the equation? What's your y value? Slope. X value.
Wait, so when you write the actual y minus whatever,
This.
yeah,
That's from last year, pre-calc.
well, I never did it, I just did
Yeah, I-
slope,
yeah, sure.
slope interval one.
And now it's biting me in the, really? No surprise there. I walk around pre-calc and I see people with this string of adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. I'm like,
I do that one from a book.
one line, 5 lines. One line. You added wrong. One line. Use this. Okay? If you were to write this in slope intercepts, what would it be? This, yeah, this is how you calculate the slope.
So like y 2 minus y 1 over x 2 minus y 1.
Yeah.
It's just adding points. We don't have 2 points to work with. We're saying what happens at this spot. You don't have 2 points. That's why you have to do it. This is.
Well, we divided them. You don't know.
You see,
I don't think so. I don't know.
has a point and a slope in it. Linear equation.
Oh.
No, you teach how to just back yourself.
But it was, I don't want to finish.
Intercept.
I'm done my part.
It is
Give us something sharp.
where it's the y-intercept.
See what you're talking about.
So you guys actually, I never had to do anything.
Negative 25 is the y-axis intercept.
Wouldn't they have been
And then 10 is
I just traced and stuff it over the track.
that would go back.
And we have to choose.
What's basically the same as
It's valid.
Okay.
I designed this to do this.
So, I was just wondering.
Well, if you're asking the equation of the tangent. Do you have the homework written out?
Yes. I do.
Been written out.
I need it, please.
You want to?
Your test, yeah, just leave them on your desk.
I'm gonna die in
Make sure
bed.
it's recorded. Tell me this, I know how to do it. Dude, I am so close to finishing this one. It's actually pretty good. Thank you, Charles.
That was the homework. Due Tuesday.
I'm so excited. You have no idea.
So I'll just pile that on top of the government and the limit.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. We love you.
Well, anytime, I can add to it if you want.
So what would that's what I asked?
Wait, what's the,
Give you more.
Would you give me an extra credit?
what's the, oh,
Those-
I already did that one.
So I don't need chocolate.